Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have a Microsoft 365 license and SharePoint enabled. This prevents permission surprises. Next, create a site. Go to SharePoint Home and choose Create Site, then pick Team or Communication depending on collaboration needs. Once done, fill site name, select Privacy, and add an owner. This establishes access control. Make sure to set storage and region if prompted, because those choices affect performance and compliance down the road. Now build the site structure so content stays discoverable. Add document libraries for files and lists for structured information. Then configure permissions, assign owners, members, and visitors using groups so you apply least privilege access consistently. Once groups are set, create metadata columns and custom views to enable fast filtering and search. This is why taxonomy pays off. Also enable versioning on libraries and set retention policies if needed, because these finish by building a clear homepage with quick links and web parts that surface team content. This orients users immediately. Invite users in batches and run a short demo showing upload, version history, and how to use metadata. Practice beats passive instructions. If something goes wrong, first verify permissions and group membership, then check OneDrive/sync client status and storage quotas. These are common root causes. If errors persist, reproduce the issue. Note exact messages and escalate with screenshots and steps to admins.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.